all of my kings and queens? It's your girl Alexus Crown here, and I'm back with another video for y'all. So today's video is sponsored by My DNA. I was born this way. So they sent me 3 products, and I'm going to show you a flat twist out tutorial on how I got this look. Now y'all know I'm all about my big afro and stuff like that, but because it's been a long time since I've seen definition on my hair like this. I like it, I really do. It's something different. Like, I haven't seen my hair like this in a long time. So they sent me 3 products. So the first one is the hydrating co-wash conditioner cleanser, moisturizing hair butter, and the last product is the DNA serum. So I'm out of the shower. I washed my hair. Like I said, this video is sponsored by My DNA. I was born this way. This was the only thing I used to wash my hair. So I used it as like a washing, like cleanser, and like a hydrating conditioner product, which is what it is. I didn't expect it to be so hydrating. At first I didn't pay attention to that word. I just thought it was like regular co-wash, but it's hydrating co-wash. It has a thick consistency. So honestly, at first when I was putting it in, it almost felt like a cream. It doesn't set up, it doesn't have bubbles. So it was like my hair was absorbing it at first and I was confused, but then my hair was absorbing it and it was becoming like softened and it was becoming moisturized. So I was really impressed, and then I rinsed it out. Like, I applied it to my scalp the first time to cleanse my scalp, get the dirt and residue out from my protective style. And then I reapplied it as a conditioner and left it on, and it's like my hair is soft. And we're gonna go ahead and get started styling it.
Black, that's the package that you came in. African, Ethiopian, Nubian.
so that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can know when I post stuff and be a part of the royal family. Also, make sure you hit that little bell so you'll be a part of the notification squad. Make sure you your notifications are on most recent so you'll be able to see when I post and, you know, stay in tune with me. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you've ever heard of this brand before, if you like their products, and if you want me to start doing more tutorials like to where you see my hair in like versatile styles versus just me doing my big old bouffant afro. That's never going away. But if you want to see more different looks like this to where you see my hair in different looks, just let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.